Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to buy something off of Facebook Marketplace, more so the process. So right now, we're on the main page of Facebook. We're going to scroll to the Facebook Marketplace page. And now, let's say we want to find something specific. I want to find like a men's jean jacket. So I'll go to apparel, and there I have a jean jacket. But if you want to search for something specific, you can go to the search marketplace, and I can type in jean jacket. Type that in there. Perfect, right? Now what I can do is I can, choose one that I like right over here. And then all I can do also is I can press save, so it'll be in my saved items on Facebook Marketplace. But if I just want to go ahead and buy it, I click on message and then ask them that I am interested, right? And then you can also ask if they deliver. So there's two ways of doing it, right? So I'll send this message, and now a chat box opens up, and I can go into my Facebook chat, click on it, and now when she responds, there's two ways of acquiring an item from Facebook Marketplace. You can either go and pick it up from them, or they will ship it out to you. So you will decide between those two depending on the seller, and you can go from there. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.